Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri Wazwan style mushroom Roganjosh or Heddar Roganjosh. Mushroom is a very versatile, it turns really good. So let's get started. Before moving to recipe, I would like to mention I have a Urdu and Kashmiri channel. You can check all these videos there also. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. For making this, I have taken one pack of mushroom, that's around 200 grams, and I have sliced it into 4. I have washed it and peeled it. And the other spices include 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and whole spices include cumin seeds, 3 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, cloves and cinnamon stick, and salt around 2 teaspoons. And I have taken oil around 2 tablespoons. I start with heating up the oil and then I'll be frying mushrooms in it. I have taken 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have to peel the mushrooms. A thin layer of peel comes off, and then we have to wash them under running water. And here I have kept high flame, and I'll fry all the mushrooms properly on all the sides. We fry mushrooms on high flame, they don't release a lot of water. Here you can see, and it will take around 10 minutes for them to get fried properly on all the sides. Once they are fried properly, I'll take them out from oil, and in the remaining oil I'll be adding spices. So here you can see in this oil I'll be adding the spices. I start with adding ginger garlic paste. I'll saute it, and then I'll be adding whole spices, cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves. Once ginger garlic paste and whole spices are sauteed properly, then I'll be adding other spices, turmeric powder, dry ginger powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. We'll mix them properly. Here I have kept low flame, and I'm adding a teaspoon of water so that the chili powder doesn't burn. And then I'll be adding the fried mushrooms. I'll mix them properly, and I'll be adding a cup of water to it. I will cover it and let it cook. And now I'm adding the salt. Salt I had not added earlier, and if you add salt while frying, mushrooms tend to release a lot of water. So here I have added salt now, and I will cover them and let them cook. I'll keep checking in between. Here I have kept medium flame for around 15 minutes. And here you can check the salt and gravy consistency also in between. After around 15 minutes, here you can see the gravy is also thick and mushrooms seem ready. At this stage you can check one mushroom by tasting it. And now I'm adding garam masala, and now I'll keep high flame for around 5 minutes before serving them. Now here you can see they seem quite ready and gravy is quite thick. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and I'll serve them. You can thicken the gravy more and serve with roti, but we eat with rice, so I have kept a little bit of gravy. So here you can see, here the versatile and delicious mushroom Rogan Josh is ready. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.